Hi, I'm Chris Harper, and with me is John, and we're here to demonstrate the general shoulder application. This is for pain that usually presents as raised or forward shoulders, which may reduce joint space. Some potential causes of this may be overuse or stress through the area, ligament or tendon damage, or muscle tears. KT tape helps treat this condition by relaxing the muscles to better position the shoulder and create additional joint space. For this application, I'm going to have John turn just a little bit, just so we can see. We're going to sit with good posture, and we're also going to tilt the head away and down to stretch the skin on top of the shoulder. We're just going to let that arm hang just loosely by the side. Okay, for our first piece, we're going to take a full strip, and what I'm going to do is twist and tear the paper down near the logo end of the tape. I'm going to remove that piece, and I'm going to look at the outline of the deltoid right here. I'm actually going to place the anchor down just around that insertion or lower part of that deltoid. I'm applying that with absolutely zero stretch. From here, I'm going to peel back the backing paper. I'm going to leave a little paper on there so I can handle the tape without touching the adhesive. I'm going to apply this with nice even pressure and a 25% stretch. So if I stretch fully and then back that off halfway and halfway again, that's 25%, and I'm going to lay this down over the back of the shoulder, but as I get to the very top of the shoulder, I'm going to ease off that tension completely and just lay that end down with absolutely zero stretch. I'm going to give that a good rub. Okay, for my next piece, I'm going to tear another full strip. I'm going to twist and tear the backing paper down by the logo end of the tape to create an anchor. For this piece, I want it to be on a little bit of skin. It sticks very well to the skin. So I'm going to just go down and forward from that first piece, just slightly. I'm going to rub that on, and I'm applying that with absolutely zero stretch. From here, just like the first piece, I'm going to apply 25% stretch, so all the way out, back off, and back off halfway again. I'm going to lay that down, but as I come to the top of the shoulder, I'm going to ease off that tension all the way and just lay that anchor down at the very end of the tape with absolutely zero stretch. Before we move out of position, I'm going to give the whole thing a little bit of a rub that creates friction and heat that allows the adhesive to really stick to the skin. Okay, and from here we can come up out of that position. Some helpful tips before applying are to clean the skin very well, remove any lotions or oils you may have on your skin. Be careful with taking clothing on and off, as this may roll the tape, and this can be used in combination with other shoulder tapings for maximal effect. Some complementary treatments may include rest, ice, massage, light progressive stretching, anti-inflammatory medications such as ibuprofen, and postural improvement. Please seek care if you have severe pain or swelling, or if you suspect a dislocation or separation. For more information, see our website at kttape.com.